manually now. Autopilot's given up. The speed's level there, mate.
500. 400.
So just fly straight there. Beautiful.
300. Approaching minimums.
Left a little bit. Just a little bit.
200.
Wings level. Raise the nose a little bit.
100. 50. 40. 20. 10.
Now nose down. Okay, reverse thrust. 1 and 2 up. These 2 up. Gently. Use your rudder, right rudder, to keep on the runway center line. Feel it slowing down? Simulator's tilting forward. Okay, 60 knots, cancel reverse thrust, so push those 2 down again. And using your rudder pedals. Now on your left there, on the left on the wall, there's a steering wheel. That's how we steer on the ground, so just hold that for now. We're going to go along the runway a bit and turn off. You'll see a yellow line go off to the left a bit. We're going to turn off up there. See that yellow line?
Yeah.
Okay, when we get to that yellow line, pull the stick back a little bit. Okay, no, the steering wheel, sorry. Push the steering wheel forward.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just go, okay, round to the left, yeah, pull it back. Okay, forward, just relax it. Just do small movements, just enough to do it. There we go. Unfortunately they want to work on the sim now, so I can't take you into the terminal.
Okay. Good.
Okay, fourth thing to do, flap 15.
15.
Yeah, auto brake is off. Sorry, speed brake is off. That 2 off. Yep, and the park brake on, pull that handle back.
Which is the button, this one?
Yep. Well done, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for getting me down in one piece.